Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag, and if this is your first video of mine, thank you for stopping by. It is the end of April and it's time for me to share with you some of my favorite thrifted finds. And I'll be proud to say that this is the second month this year that I have donated back more than I even bought. I'm really trying to clear out, and I'm trying to only buy things that I know I have a place for, or just something that I can't live without. That's just too good of a deal or something. So the first thing I want to share with you is this little Bean Buddies craft kit I picked up at the Goodwill outlet store where you dig through the bins, brand new. This was probably about $20 back in the day, in 1999 actually. And I want you to know, after 22 years, all the supplies were just like new, and it took me about 3 weeks to make her. I worked on her an hour or so every night, and I just love how it turned out. This craft kit is called Pumpkin, and it's just a Halloween cat dressed in a pumpkin costume and a little bat on a wire, and she's got a little Halloween bag. But you could sew it on a machine, but about half of the project you do have to hand stitch, and it was just a change for me, and it was almost therapeutic being able to sit there and watch TV and kind of hand stitch, and just loved making this little cat. So I have a feeling that this will probably go to my daughter or son, whoever wants it, on their fireplace or something like that for October. The next thing, we went camping in a little town called Wynne, Arkansas. It's a little town in eastern Arkansas, and they had an estate sale, and I found this gorgeous, it's almost 2 foot tall, of the Holy Family, Joseph and Mary and baby Jesus. It's originally from Cokesbury Christian Bookstore. Had a price tag of $35.99, and the lady sold it to me for $4. I just loved that I could put this on a mantle or something, and it will be a timeless decor. We stopped at another estate sale last weekend, and this lady, I have never in my life seen a house with so much craft supplies. She must have had some kind of business, because all her stuff was like florist quality. It wasn't like Hobby Lobby brands. It was just so much. I told my husband, this is overwhelming. I'm just going to grab a few things, and what I can carry is what I'm going to buy. And that's what I did. I spent $5. And this is what the lady charged me. I got this beautiful, it's kind of a long, narrow wooden harvest sign. They originally had $4 on it, but like I said, I got this whole handful for $5. A brand new pack of pipe cleaners from Walmart. This right here alone is about $3 at Walmart. Some cute snowman pom-pom trim that I'll find something for. A brand new roll of some green gingham plaid wired ribbon, be really cute for the fall. And this whole handful of these picks. They're kind of like the primitive picks or whatever, but just love them. And these are usually $3 to $4 a piece, or even more than that at Hobby Lobby, and I got about 10 of them. Picked up this adorable sign at Goodwill. It was originally from Hobby Lobby, $11.99, year 2019. I got it for $1.99. I've been trying to every year collect gingerbread things for my kitchen, and just thought this was adorable with the whisk on top, gingerbread spice and everything nice. That's what Christmas is made of, and that will be adorable in my kitchen for Christmas. Went to an outdoor flea market. They had a big bin there for $1. Got this $10 roll of Hobby Lobby ribbon for $1. The cheapest I could have got at Hobby Lobby is maybe $5 or $6. Lots of ribbon on there that I'll definitely use that at some time. Picked this little Cricut spatula tool up for 99 cents. This was totally worth it. I've been playing around with polymer clay and earrings, and I'm going to put this in my little tool bucket for that. For 99 cents, I picked up this 12 pack of Valentine bags. Originally $2.99, but I got the whole pack for 99 cents because I always make up several Valentine bags. Now, I've mentioned this company before, and I always on the lookout for their candles and things when I'm thrifting. This is a Romanique. This is a Arkansas company. in Heber Springs, and it is the most wonderful candles and room spray, and they just sell all kinds of fragrant things for your house. But this is a bag of their famous potpourri. They're the ones that probably 30 years ago came out with the smell of Christmas. They got the smell of spring. They've got pumpkin spice. I just love it. And this bag is usually about $20, and I got it for $1.99. And you can only get it like at Dillard's and Macy's. Lots of boutiques used to carry it, but I don't see it as much as I used to. But you could always pick it up at Dillard's. Or this one's cinnamon cider, and it just smells wonderful. And it's got lots of dried fruit and pine cones and all kinds of neat things in there. And then after it started to lose its smell, after a couple years, you can buy just the little refill oil and put it in a baggie and refresh all the stuff, and it's like new all over again. Never heard of a Romanique. You need to check it out. All right, the last couple things. This is it appears to be a brand new 5-foot table runner from Hobby Lobby. It's what the tag says. Red and white with the stars. You can't go wrong. This is timeless, patriotic decor that I'll have fun doing this either inside or outside. Not sure I'm going to put it this year. And last but not least, at first I thought this was old and I kind of overlooked it, and I went back. The back is actually brand new. It was from my college bookstore. And this is where I graduated college from, University of Memphis, and I just love this Uncle Sam to put on the back sun porch or by the pool somewhere. I have an Uncle Sam, but it's time to replace him, and just thought this would be a cute replacement. So there you go, friends. Lots of new current things that I got for a fraction of the cost just by taking the time to check out some estate sales, yard sales, and the thrift stores. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got, and I'll be back in a couple days with something cute for Mother's Day. Bye-bye.